Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho, I have a very important question for you, and I need your help. You see, most children have one special gift they're hoping to find under the tree. Sometimes two, sometimes three. But here's the thing, I can't read minds. One year, I thought a little boy wanted a train set. Turns out, he wanted a toy reindeer named Lightning. Oh my jingle bells, that was a confusing Christmas. That's when I realized something very important. I don't just deliver presents, I deliver wishes, and wishes matter. So if you are one of those children with a special gift in mind, I need to know. Tell me, what would you love to find under your tree this year? And while you're thinking, maybe choose 3 wishes. One just for fun, one that helps you learn or grow, and one kind wish for someone else. Ho ho ho, those are my favorite kinds. Leave your wish below, because I am always listening. And remember, Christmas isn't just about what you receive, it's about the joy you share. Ho ho ho. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.